a review of the book, The Goal from Goldratt. It's a very good book. It helped me quite a lot, and I'll share you my experiences. Hi, my name is Christian Wurzelball. I support the textile service industry with management training, know-how in textile service 4.0, and practical hints that I can implement right away. So this is a review of the book of Goldratt. The story behind the book, my story with the book is that I really worked on my management quality, I don't know, since I was in the MBA study back in Toronto, 95. And then I also read some management books and so on. And like, for instance, Malik, Performing Living. I liked this book very well, but I didn't know, and everybody talked about doing what is important, but nobody gave me a clue on what is important. So it was really actually very hard for me to distinguish the unimportant stuff from the important stuff for a long time. Of course, you try your best, but I didn't have a method. And then comes Goldratt, A Theory of Constraints. This is one of a few books. He has written, I don't know, 6 books, 7 books. And it's very easy to read. It's a story. It's a story of a plant manager that saved one plant from closure. And basically what he did is that he found the bottleneck in the production, and that he subordinated the whole process to the bottleneck, and he organized everything around the bottleneck, and all of a sudden productivity increased. And I can tell you it happens so often that people do not focus on the bottleneck, but there is a huge leverage when you find the bottleneck in your processes, because when you focus there, you do not get just a local return, you get an 10x or 100x return. You will hear me again and again speaking about bottlenecks and constraints, and that's the reason. Read this book; it's really good, and it's a book that you will probably revisit again and again. And there are other books from him regarding marketing. A very interesting book, How to Make a Mafia Offer, an offer that the customer will not be able to refuse. Then he also made a book about project management and IT projects, and some other things. If you like this video, then just give it a thumbs up. Write in your comments your experiences, if you have read the book, how you liked it, and then if you like this video, then subscribe to the channel. And there's also a link to a download for a management guide that I have written, and it's especially for the current situation. It's a very good guide, I think. At least I get a very good feedback. And I wish you the best. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.